Thanks for tuning in and watching episode 13. We're currently on passage from Beaufort, North Carolina down to Charleston. We're about an hour outside the channel to go inside the harbor. You know, this episode is rather short and sweet. It's the first time that we finally make it over from the Exumas. As you remember from episode 12, we were in Eleuthera and Rock Sound, and we departed, headed over to Long Cay in the Exumas. And so we checked out Exumas only for about a week or so, because we had to then make our way up north to Nassau, and where we put our boat at Long Cay Marina to head back to Cupertino. My retirement date had moved around quite a bit. It was initially in 2019, maybe 2018, and then that got pushed out for one reason or another. And then the pandemic occurred, and that pushed us out even another couple years. It was a very emotional time. You know, retirement was, and the decision to retire was one of the most difficult decisions I've ever had to make. But it was also very emotional because I was very excited as well. I want to thank you for your time in watching this episode, and hopefully if you like a little something, I request that you actually go ahead and like us and subscribe to us, and you can do so really simply by clicking on the icon that has a little infinity sign in the lower right hand corner of your screen.
Blended into the rock. What dirt to take in here?
No idea. The largest native land animals of the Bahamas and are herbivores. They're herbivores. Sailed down to Long Cay today, try to get away from the traffic at all the Iguana beaches up in Allan, and I think we succeeded thus far. I think that's a hawk up there on her nest. She is definitely watching us, and she is not happy we are here, but we are out snorkeling. And this reef is totally awesome. Dude, this is over the top. There's water. We're anchored over there. This is one boat, it says private island, but clearly there are some tour guides taking people to this island. It says beware of dogs, but I don't see any dogs. A little bit of rain out there. It's like a rainy Tuesday. 41. Definitely higher winds than they were predicting. Hawks Nest Cay, Long Cay, and Key. And headed to Nassau today. Okay, we're heading off to Nassau, Palm Key today. We left around, what time we leave? 6:30. We left around 6:30, and we got about 15, 16 knots of wind, and we just got the Jennifer out. Downwind, pretty much the whole way. It's gonna be a beautiful day. I think the wind's gonna drop off a little bit toward the end of the day, so try to get as much distance as we can. I'm tired, and sweaty,
Yeah.
and
How was it coming into Palm Key Marina?
it was pleasant.
Yeah.
It was zero assistance
Yeah.
and the wrong place.
Yeah. And they don't have our
place.
they don't have our slip.
So we're gonna have to.
Yeah. We're across from the fuel dock right now, and he told us we'll be here. And Mike first came into this slip over here, this one, and then that was interesting. And then the guy's like, "No, next door." So then he had to back out and come over here. And it looks like these people were told to do the same thing, that they need to temporarily hold off. But they have a captain who's driving them.
All right, here we are at Palm Key Marina.
We're not staying. No matter what you play on.
There's laundry for Palm Key. You need tokens for the wind dryer, but you use orders for the washer. I've been here. It's been 10 minutes waiting for each of these to fill up with water and start doing their thing. Not a lot of water pressure. Walking to work, and it is Tuesday. 3 more days of work, essentially. Turn my computer on Thursday, so. Alright, it is my last day of work at Apple, and it's 8 o'clock and 8:13, and I just dropped Shireen off at Mariani 12, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm gonna head on over to Apple Park. I got a going away party tonight that I'm scared as hell about. I don't like attention, and it's gonna be obviously very emotional ridden. So, but as much as I've been looking forward to this, I've been very scared about this the last day. So many emotions, it's a mixed bag for sure.